Hello,
Hello,
welcome back. We are
Nann.
at Odin. Make the best out of your day, every day. We didn't talk about our channel for a while.
Yes.
I found that the views tank and the growth slowed down a lot. And I think this is because of the too much diverse program. We have our lifestyle, we make our travel, and we make a lot of drone flight videos. Our first subscribers we got from lifestyle videos, from travel videos, from videos about us too. And then I made some shorts with drone, and one of those shorts went viral, and we got a lot of subscribers for the drone videos. So now we have like a split group of subscribers. Whatever we upload, one group of our subscribers, they will not be happy. And therefore I decided to split the channel. I made a new channel with only drone flights. So the drone flights will disappear from our main channel and they will be in our new channel over time. This does not mean that we will not have any drone content, but we will have now the drone content just for show something, just like a short sequence. Same in our last Serene video when we were in the hotel. So when we wanted to show the hotel in the morning from outside, I made a short flight in the sunrise, like 30 seconds, 60 seconds, I don't know. And this is in the video and the rest is not. The GoPro flight we also did on this trip, and it didn't appear in our video at all. I put this in our new channel. So this is how the things will go from now on. If you care for drone footage, just look for Fly with Odin.
When you want to travel with Nann, you need to continue with the old channel, Nann Odin too.
Yeah, maybe. No?
Maybe. Sure, not
Maybe.
maybe.
Of course, I would like you to come to the new channel and click subscribe. Look at the videos, drive up the watch hours so that we get in the 4,000 watch hours and get this also monetized and running. Right now it is of course very slow because it's a new channel. To motivate me more to do something in the new channel, just help me. And we are still in a discussion, and you can discuss with us if we even break into a third channel and make a channel with Nann alone. Like when she travels home alone, or when she does a trip alone. She went to China recently. She has a lot of footage, not edited, but she has no motivation to do this.
You press me to do.
But if people say, oh, we want to see the China video, we want to see Nann travel alone, we want to see her videos on her own, we don't need this old guy in the background, then you can just talk to her and maybe she will follow, and she will make like Nann roaming, or whatever name this would be. Nann traveling alone, or Nann alone in this world. A small girl in big Thailand, whatever the name could be. You can suggest a name if you want to have her channel alone. Just think about it if you like or not. We wait for your response now. So not forget here also to click like,
Yes.
to subscribe. Yeah, comment. Tell us how you would like this channel to continue, what you think is a good idea for this channel to continue. Just help us thinking, we as a big team, we think much better than the two of us alone.
Yes, that's true.
Yeah.
Because it's for me, I still need to learn many things to edit video and go to make a trip, make a list, make everything. But from my trip, for me is when need to me do alone is can't. But you can see what is the people mistake by Nann. It's a fun video like that, and I try. Okay, I hope all the people is looking this need to have comment for us, can tell what it need, and can help Odin to get better channel for him. He want to show his fly because he like to fly. he like very need to sit in the drone.
To fly the drone is even better than flying in the real airplane. When I was a young guy, I was flying in a plane, but you fly high up. You cannot come anywhere near, but with a drone, you can fly through the trees, you can fly through the gaps. I can fly between her leg. I can fly very low across the beach or the rice field or whatever. This is just amazing, and this feeling, And what is even more crazy, when we made the battery test video, when Nann is driving and I sit in the car and fly. So I not see anything, I just sit with my head in the drone and with my ass in the car. And so the car is moving, so my ass is moving one way and the drone is moving another way. It's a crazy feeling. I mean, you get used to everything, so it takes a while. I'm getting better the more often I do it. It is a new experience, a quite amazing experience.
And please subscribe is Fly with Odin and Thailand Lifestyle with their own channel first.
We made a video about the visa and that Nann got a visa denied and the reasons behind this. You will find it in a link below and here. So if you want to continue, just watch that video.